Hey there, little artist! Today, we're diving into a celebration. Can you guess what we're drawing? That's right, a scrumptious birthday cake. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, because it's time to bring this sweet birthday treat to life. Let's start by drawing the outline of our yummy cake. Now, let's add 3 candles on top, a perfect wish-making trio for the birthday superstar. Let's make this cake extra delectable with some sweet chocolate swirls or gems. And of course, what's a cake without a plate to stand on? Let's sketch that in. Now that our cake masterpiece is complete, it's time to make those outlines bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. And now, drum roll, please. It's coloring time. Are you ready to name some colors? Let's add some vibrant hues to our delicious cake. Here we go. Pink color. Another shade of pink color. Orange color. Brown color. Chocolate brown color. Golden color. Indigo color. Blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Red color. Pink color. Bottle green color. Ocean blue color. Orange color. Tada! Look at our spectacular birthday cake! I'm blown away by your incredible creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your amazing artwork with us. Until next time, keep creating, keep celebrating, and have the most wonderful birthdays! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.